I was diagnosed with lupus in 2004.
I was diagnosed when I was 13.
I remember getting the call and her telling me, well, I have lupus.
My mother was diagnosed with lupus.
My daughter was diagnosed with lupus.
My mother was coming in and out the hospital.
And it was very frightening.
I had a stroke brought on by lupus.
I guess I was just a mom in denial. I was one of those people too who had never really heard about lupus.
I was just in college and I was still figuring out what my life was going to be like.
Being a teenager with lupus is tough.
We went through a bunch of doctors and rounds of chemo and 5-week stay at the hospital.
My daughter died 8 years after she was diagnosed.
If I could, I would absolutely just want to take it from her, and I would have it myself.
When I started looking at lupus, I realized very quickly that not much was being done. There was a tremendous demand for us to get into the idea of starting a new enterprise.
When Woody Johnson asked me to run the organization, I gave him the answer, yes, very, very quickly. I'm working tirelessly to find that cure.
The ALR is a group of people that are not interested in popularity or profit.
I think everybody knows that works at the Alliance for Lupus Research is we do want to put ourselves out of business.
The Alliance for Lupus Research has actually provided $81 million for researchers like me to be able to develop better testing and better treatments for patients suffering from lupus.
I think we've made a real difference already. There are a number of drugs in clinical trials now that we were involved with early.
I'm actually in a clinical trial right now. The ALR-funded research helped for this trial.
You see how beneficial it is to have the word out there and have people more involved, have more research, and find a cure.
Being involved with the ALR, I'm more conscious of all the technology and the treatment for the disease.
It's something that I truly, as a person who has seen this disease up close and personal, really, really appreciate.
The ALR has been amazing since I've been a jet. They've been the first people to show me that they're here for the fight.
They help me do my job better so I can think of new ideas and I can garner support and to shift paradigms.
When you find an organization like the ALR, that's such a wonderful feeling to know that, like, no matter how terrible of a day you might be having or how bad you might be feeling, you have a wonderful support group.
The ALR has helped me, just as a platform, as a way that I can speak about my illness, a way to get others to come together and rally, to help find a cure.
Drive 1 hour into Albany to catch the bus and come down to make sure we are at all these events.
We're on the path to producing something really good.
My name is Candy Brown.
Jackie Rincon. Cyrus Lynch.
Myrtle Van Leuven.
Esteban Van Leuven.
My name is Austin Howard.
My name is Ken Farber.
William Cologne.
Lucinda Lucas.
Owen Cottle.
I'm Woody Johnson.
Michael Lauria.
Camilla Francis Gilliard.
Greg Silverman.
Madeline Cottrella.
My name is Shanelle Gabriel.
And I'm a face.
And I'm a face.
I'm a face.
I'm a face.
I'm a face.
I am a face.
I'm a face of lupus.
We are the Face of Lupus.